Take a ride in the 2017 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote start, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, power windows, electronic stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.